Today, we will be discussing how to convert from degrees Celsius to degrees Fahrenheit. Now, in order to convert a certain temperature reading from degrees Celsius to degrees Fahrenheit, we will use the following formula. Degrees Fahrenheit is equal to 9/5 times whatever degrees Celsius the temperature that is expressed in terms of degrees Celsius is, and then plus 32. Now let us do these 4 practice questions. So for number 1, we have 12 degrees Celsius. So therefore, degrees Fahrenheit would be equal to 9/5 times 12 plus 32. And putting it into a calculator, 9/5 times 12, that gives us 21.6. And we will add 32 to it. And 21.6 plus 32, that is equal to 53.6 degrees Fahrenheit. And so therefore, 12 degrees Celsius is equal to 53.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let us solve problem number 2, which is negative 23 degrees Celsius. Now, everything in the equation except for the number 12 remains the same. The only thing that we need to change right here is from the number 12, we will change this to the number negative 23. So right here, I will put in bracket negative 23. And 9/5 times negative 23, that gives us negative 41.4. And we will add 32. And the final answer is negative 9.4 degrees Fahrenheit. And so therefore, negative 23 degrees Celsius is equal to negative 9.4 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let us move on to problem number 3. For problem number 3, we have 18 degrees Celsius. And once again, everything in the formula remains the same except for this. So I'm going to erase negative 23. I'm going to erase the bracket. I erased the bracket that surrounded the number negative 23 as well. So now this becomes positive 18. And putting it into the calculator, 9/5 times 18 gives us 32.4. We will add 32 to it. And 32.4 plus 32 gives us 64.4 degrees Fahrenheit. And so therefore, 18 degrees Celsius is equal to 64.4 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let us solve the last and final problem, problem number 4, which is negative 10 degrees Celsius. Again, everything remains the same except for this temperature reading right here, which is expressed in terms of degrees Celsius. So I'm going to erase the number 18 right here and replace it with negative 10. And because it is a negative number, I'm going to put it inside of a pair of brackets. Nine-fifths multiplied by negative 10 gives us negative 18. And we will add 32 to it. And this gives us positive 14 degrees Fahrenheit. And so therefore, negative 10 degrees Celsius is equal to positive 14 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, I want you all to pay attention to one thing. There is a specific temperature reading in which the Fahrenheit value is exactly equal to the Celsius numerical value, and that is negative 40 degrees Fahrenheit is exactly the same as negative 40 degrees Celsius. And I'm going to show you guys right now why this is the case. So I'm going to change this from negative 10 to negative 40. So now, nine over 5 times negative 40, that is equal to negative 72. And of course, we must add 32 to the number. And that gives us negative 40 degrees Fahrenheit. And this is how you convert a temperature reading from degrees Celsius to degrees Fahrenheit.